Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are test driving Citroen Relay 2018, which came in Adblue faults, and the problems has been solved. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it driving and how is it now?
I was having lots of problems with limp mode and engine management lights coming on.
What did you do so far on the van? You said you had a new Adblue tank, new pump, new this, new that. New
DEF pump, new NOx sensor, new Adblue pump and Adblue injector, and I've had the DPF apparently regenerated multiple times statically, which I now know is making the problem much worse. Since I had the work done on it, it's now no problems at all. It goes a lot faster in every gear, drives a bit.
Are you happy? No engine lights?
No engine management lights, no. Feels a lot more like a car. Yeah, it's a heavy van, but revs a lot nicer, pulls a lot nicer, and yeah, seems to run very well.
One more thing, can you see any black or white smoke?
No, not at all, nothing coming out of the exhaust whatsoever.
Okay. Finally, are you happy?
Yes, very much so.
Excellent. Okay, thank you very much. If you can park in front of this one on the left hand side.
Will do.
Yeah. Or you can park in here or park over there. Or yeah, park not here.
Not here.
Go straight onto the left hand side. We are SupremeDPFClean.com or Moorhouse Garage Limited, located in Westerham, Kent. We are specialized on diesel particulate filters, EGR valves, Adblue NOx problems, SCR problems, black or white smoke EGR problems. We are the masters. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.